Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I want to dive into an exciting development in the world of virtual reality, specifically with the Bigscreen Beyond 2 and 2e headsets. These VR headsets are making waves, and here's why. Imagine this: you place an order for a cutting-edge VR headset, and instead of waiting for weeks or months, it arrives at your doorstep in just a few days. That's the reality for Bigscreen Beyond 2 buyers now, which is a huge deal for those eager to get their hands on the latest tech. But what's even more fascinating is the journey these headsets have been on. You see, Bigscreen Beyond 2 and 2e are not your average VR headsets. They're designed for the true PC VR enthusiasts who want the best of the best. These headsets require a powerful PC setup, with high-end graphics cards and Valve or HTC tracking base stations. And let's not forget the need for additional input devices, like the Valve Index controllers or a HOTA's setup for a truly immersive experience. Now, what sets the Beyond 2 apart from its predecessor? Well, it's all about clarity and comfort. The lenses are wider and clearer, and you can adjust the IPD to your liking, all while being 20 grams lighter. But here's the kicker: the Beyond 2e takes it a step further with eye-tracking technology, adding just 1.05 grams of tiny sensors. This is a game-changer for VR, and it's no wonder big-screen headsets are gaining popularity on Steam. But the story doesn't end there. The journey from announcement to delivery has been quite the roller coaster. Initially, pre-orders were promised to ship in April 2025, but a PCB design flaw caused a 3-month delay. This is a common challenge in the tech world, and it's a testament to Bigscreen's commitment that they managed to start shipping in June. Fast forward to now, and they've cleared the backlog, ensuring new orders ship within days. It's a great example of a company adapting and delivering on its promises. The eye-tracking feature on the Beyond 2e is particularly intriguing. While it's been used primarily for driving avatar eyes and social VR platforms, Bigscreen has unlocked its potential for foveated rendering in select VR titles. This technology offers massive performance gains, and it's a feature I believe more VR headsets should adopt. It's the kind of innovation that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in VR. In my opinion, the Bigscreen Beyond 2 and 2e are prime examples of how VR technology is evolving to meet the demands of enthusiasts. They offer a level of customization and performance that caters to the most discerning VR users. And with the improved shipping times, Bigscreen is ensuring that enthusiasts can get their hands on this tech sooner rather than later. So, if you're in the market for a high-end VR experience, the Bigscreen Beyond 2 and 2e are definitely worth considering. They showcase the future of VR, where performance, comfort, and customization converge. Personally, I can't wait to see what other innovations Bigscreen has in store for the VR community.